Roll back that demand from the opposition People's National Party this evening as the government considers what to do about the backlash it's facing over a new property tax regime. Thousands of Jamaicans are facing big increases in property taxes after the new regime, which was announced in the budget debate. The People's National Party held a press briefing on the issue today at its Old Hope Road, St. Andrew headquarters. A PNP press briefing to make a demand. One word: rollback.
Cannot be allowed to stand.
Nothing but a full rollback will suffice.
The government now collects $6 billion a year from property taxes, says the PNP. Now it wants to add another $4 billion.
To raise the collections by 66%, by 2/3, in the course of 1 year.
The government has said people who face huge increases can appeal their land valuation, but not the whole truth, counters the opposition.
If you wish to object, you can do that within 60 days, but what the government is not telling you is that that objection must be accompanied by a payment of 75% of the assessed value. Having gone through the objection process, if it is that your objection is denied, not only do you have to pay the arrears, that is the difference between the 75% that you paid and what is owing, but you have to pay interest rate on that which is owing.
But the PNP not escaping criticism that the JLP administration is simply doing what it failed to do, to implement timely land valuations, which, by the way, the previous PNP government agreed to do as part of its pact with the IMF. But Dr. Peter Phillips argues that the PNP was aware of the effect a huge increase would have, hence this wording in a 2010 IMF document.
The authorities, meaning the government of the day, are weighing these options and are conscious of minimizing the impact on lower income groups of any tax policy change.
But what now? What would the opposition do differently? What would a PNP administration tax?
Our position is simply this: not to tell the government what to do, but to tell them that what they are doing is unacceptable. It is like asking what is the best way to commit a robbery. You know? Yeah. But what went wrong is the robbery. Yeah.
And will an opposition, which has protested tax measures in the past, do so now if there is no rollback?
We'll cross that bridge
Sufficient until the time
when we get there.